Hi dear students, in this video we will try to understand the word escape velocity and we are going to derive an expression for escape velocity of Earth. So what is escape velocity? The minimum velocity with which a body has to be projected from Earth's surface so that it goes out of Earth's gravitational pull completely. Means in general, if we throw an object upwards with smaller velocity, we know that it will come back. Okay, we have to find out that velocity with which if we throw a body vertical upwards, it should not come back. That velocity we call it as escape velocity. Now we'll come back to the point. Say here we have a body of mass m, okay, placed on Earth's surface. Radius of the Earth is re and the mass of Earth is me. Okay. Now what is the potential energy? What is the potential energy of this mass? Potential energy of this mass is equal to minus gmm divided by r. R means radius of Earth. Now what does this negative symbol indicate? Okay, this negative symbol indicates that this is a bounded system. Bounded system means this body of mass m cannot escape the Earth. Okay, now let us suppose that this body of mass m, okay, is projected upwards, okay, with some velocity v. Okay, then what is its kinetic energy? Kinetic energy equal to half mv square. Okay, if this body of mass m has to escape, okay, the total energy, that is sum of kinetic energy and potential energy, has to become equal to 0. If you have total energy as negative, that means it is bounded system. If the body has to escape, the velocity, the energy, the total energy has to be 0 or positive. We will see how to do it. The total energy of the mass is given by sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. So therefore total energy is equal to kinetic energy, that is half mv square, okay, plus potential energy. What is potential energy? Minus gmm, okay, divided by re. Okay, mass of the Earth into mass of the body divided by re. Okay, now what is the condition for the body of mass m to escape? Okay, when the body just escapes, okay, we know that total energy has to be 0. If the body has to escape, the total energy of the body should be 0 or more than 0. Okay, but what is escape velocity? Escape velocity is the minimum velocity with which you have to throw so that the body escapes the Earth's surface. So therefore total energy must be 0. So in this equation, in the above equation, okay, what we'll do? So 0 equal to half mve square, means when the body escapes, its velocity will be escape velocity, okay, minus, okay, gmm divided by re, minus gmm divided by re. Okay, we will simplify this. Half mve square, half mve square is equal to g into me into m divided by re. Okay, so this m and m gets cancelled. Okay, then what happens? This 2 will come over here. What happens? ve square is equal to 2 into gme divided by re, or on simplifying we will get escape velocity is equal to square root of 2 gme divided by re. So this is the equation for escape velocity. Now what we can do, we know an equation for acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth, that is g is equal to, okay, gme divided by re square. So from this equation what we can write? We can write gre square is equal to gme. So we will make this substitution here. So what happens? Escape velocity is equal to square root of 2 into gre square divided by re. What happens? This re and re gets cancelled. So escape velocity will be ve equal to square root of 2gr, escape velocity of Earth, okay, near Earth's surface, is equal to square root of 2gr. Here the derivation is over. But what we can do is, for our curiosity, okay, we already know that escape velocity of Earth is 11.2 km per second. We know that escape velocity of Earth is 11.2 km per second. What we will do? We will substitute the values of g and re here. Okay, for board exams, till here it is fine. So you have done the derivation. Okay. Okay, but for our curiosity, escape velocity is equal to square root of 2 into, okay, g, I'll take it as 10, okay, into radius of Earth. What is radius of Earth? radius of earth is equal to 6400 kilometer, 6400 kilometer, or I can write it as radius of earth is equal to 6400 into 10 to the power 3 meter, or I can write it as 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter, 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. I'll substitute here 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Now what is 10 into 6.4? 10 into 6.4 will be 64. So square root of 64 will be 8. Then what is square root of 2? Square root of 2 is 1.41. 1.41 into 8 into what is square root of 10 to the power 6? That is 10 to the power 3. So what do you got? Escape. So 8 into 1.41 is approximately 11.2. Escape velocity is equal to 11.2 into 10 to the power 3 means kilometer per second. Escape velocity of earth is 11.2 kilometer per second. There is one point that we have to remember. For a black hole, for a black hole, we know that what is black hole means if you illuminate light on a black hole, that black hole even swallows light. That means light cannot reflect back from that black hole. So therefore escape velocity of black hole should be greater than speed of light. For a black hole, escape velocity should be greater than speed of light, that is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Escape velocity of the black hole should be greater than 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Thank you very much.